everyone. Today we are going to unbox the DJI Mini microphone. It's said to be quite small. I haven't seen it yet. Actually, I've been holding back from opening it since yesterday, which is when it arrived. Sorry if you see like some cat hair because I have a cat. And you know how it gets with their fluff fur. Alright, so plastic done. Let's see. I don't want to break the boxes, so usually I'll just like get a box cutter and like do it like so. Alright. Now this is all it's supposed to have inside, and we are going to see if that's correct. Okay, so far we have a pouch, easy to open. Let's see. Okay. The touch is quite soft. It's not silky, but it's quite soft. Also the back, it's kind of thick. It has like a thinner layer, but it has like some cushioning in the inner layers. Ha. Let's see. Okay, everything's wrapped. Actually, I'm going to dump everything here. But I like that the pouch is so tiny. Also, it has like this one. This is, I think, the transmitter was in a packet, so it has packets inside. Alright? Okay, so this is like opening blind bags, even though you can see what it is. But I like having to open everything. Like, I like opening stuff. Mostly I do open everything that's for me, but then sometimes I'll ask my family if I can open their packages for them. So yeah, I had a very hard time trying to hold back from unboxing this on my own. But you know, oh, also there's something else. What's this? These bags, the plastic is like quite soft. So the unboxing experience is like, it feels more premium thanks to the softness of the bags. I mean, you know, if you open something from AliExpress or somewhere like that, the bags are usually like those thin, clear, and noisy plastic, right? They are made of that kind of plastic. Okay, so this is kind of a sticker. I think it's like this. I'm not sure what it's supposed to be for, but it seems to be some kind of sticker. It's two stickers actually. This is here you can peel one, and here there's another one. Oh, it's like the DJI logo. Alright, bring the memory card. And it has like a QR code here. I'm not sure what that's for. And then the warranty service. It can be up to 12 months or longer, depending on local law. So yeah, it has like the warranty papers here. And this is safety guidelines. These I read actually, but I'll do it when I'm on my own. before making content. And it seems like it has an app, like also videos, tutorial videos, the app, and there's something else here. I don't know if it's a guide or something. Yeah. DJI support. Alright, this I also read when I'm on my own. Oh, these are the mufflers. This USB-C plug. This is what was inside this box. We have a carrying pouch. It has pockets. So I'm not sure if you can see them clearly. Let me turn on my lights. Okay, now you can see better. It has pockets. It has like 4 pockets, and inside it's like a very fine mesh. So yeah, it has 2 right here and 2 on the other side. Then we have this cable, which is to connect this to a camera, which I don't have right now. I'm not sure if I'm going to buy it soon or in the future, because for now I have my Samsung Flip. It's the 5, and when I film myself with the back camera lenses, I can see myself on the small screen, so that's perfect. And yeah, with the iPhone, I think you can also see yourself if you buy a separate screen, which sticks to the back of the phone with MagSafe. I think it's MagSafe. I'm not quite familiar with iPhone features, but yeah, more or less I think that's how it was. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with my Samsung, and it's perfect for vlogging. So at least for now, I'm not going to be buying a camera. Maybe in the future, if my stats improve, I'll invest in a better camera. As for the mic, I think this one, I'm not sure I'm going to change to the Pro version, because as far as I'm concerned, there wasn't a very significant difference between the DJI Mic Mini and the DJI Mic 3. I think the good quality of the 2 version was that you could plug those small mics so that you could not see there was a mic at all, because it was like very tiny and you would just put it inside your clothes. But the 3 doesn't have that, so the difference was basically quality of sound. But they were saying that between this kind of mic and this kind of mic, the difference was way I almost dropped it. The difference was way bigger than the DJI Mic Mini compared to the DJI Mic 3. This is the DJI Mic Mini with the normal settings. And this -6 decibels, -12, +6 decibels, and +12 decibels. This is without the windscreen. These are the BOYA mics, and this is without the muffler. So yeah, we have the receiver, which it has like the plug that you slide in, the adapter, sorry. It has like this kind of lid when you get it off the package, and then you just had to like put the USB-C plug. There is also the lightning version, the lightning adapter version for those who have iPhones. And yeah, the mic came with this windscreen and also the black one. I like this one more because it has like more contrast. Visually, I feel like it's more appealing. Then we also have the dock charging station, which it feels like quite a snug in here, obviously. And then here you have the USB-C plug so that you can charge not only this, but also this at the same time, right? Just connect this to a plug and you are done. All right. Now, this is quite good. I think it was for the setting, depending on the setting, if you're filming outside, which I may do in the future. I'm quite shy, so I'm not sure whether it's going to be soon or not. But listen, this is like so satisfying. I have like the mic over there hidden. If you're outside, you will like increase the decibels. I think it's this way, I'm not sure. Correct me in the comments. I think you would just amplify them so that you could listen to yourself better. But yeah, it's to regulate the decibels. I keep like turning the dial because it's so satisfying. And then we have the LEDs 1, 2 to see if the mics are connected correctly. And this is for the receiver to see if it's connected correctly as well. Also, I think this can indicate if they have enough battery. Like, so yeah, basically, dial decibels. This to see the connectivity and the battery of the mics, of the transmitters. And then this to see if it's connected. Then it has this to connect it to a camera. This to connect it to the phone, charging. This is, I think, for the charging case, because these have a case bundle as well. But you know, for me alone, I'm not going to be filming outside a lot. This is enough, more than enough. So yeah, to charge it in the case, and this is to turn it on. This I'm not sure. And then this is to put it somewhere. I clip, but I don't know in which cases would you actually put this to use. And this has the power button. This I'm not sure again. This is the light. I think this also indicates where it's connected on the battery. And then we have this magnet, which is quite strong, by the way. Look. Yeah. And then we have the muffler, the windscreen. We have the windscreen. These terms are pretty new to me, actually, because barely 2 weeks ago, I wasn't like 2-3 weeks ago, I wasn't pretty much into filming, but now I'm learning new things. So yeah, the wind screen, the magnet clip, the clip, and the mic itself. Also, this is so that you can charge it. This is so that you can charge it in the dock, but I think it has 4 because maybe the charging time is way less when you have it in the case, right? I'm guessing that if you would put this into the case, all 4 pins would be connected, maybe, and so it will have a faster charging time, right? I'm not sure. So yeah, this was that. I also talked about this, and then I think I mentioned this briefly, but yeah, this is a split USB-C charging cable. This is quite thick, so I think this, at least this part, isn't going to like get messed up. It will be quite hard. And also there was like a sticker, DJI, and then this sticker. I'm not sure if you could stick this to here or some. I don't think that's the way. But yeah, the stickers are pretty cute. I don't think this would stick to this kind of material either. But yeah, that was the unboxing of the DJI mic. And if we want to compare, I have this mic from BOYA. This one I didn't buy myself. It was actually my mom who bought this, and I just borrowed them to film at the beginning. Now I invested in this, and I'm expecting to film with these in the future as well. These came with two mics, and I think the price for these plus the transmitter was like 50-60 euros. Since I won't be filming with another person soon, I just bought the pack that had one transmitter and one receiver. And again, coming back to this, we are going to compare sizes. As you can see, this one is wider, but this one is taller. This one has this kind of it's quite hard to pull off and then put in. Like, I'm just going to pull it off, but I'm not going to put it back because it's more like it takes time. But yeah, this is the mic, and this is the windscreen. Well, it doesn't, yeah, alright. I put it back in because it looks ugly without it. This one is so round and cute. Like it, and this one reminds me of those black Smart 42 cars that have like the more squared round design, because the older versions of the Smart 42 are like egg-shaped, but I like the newer design, and this reminds me of that. I find that car so cute. Like, oh, it's so cute and so small. I really like that car, and this reminds me of that. It's like squared but also round and very cute and small. And the wind muffler at the beginning, it does shed a little bit, so that's why I'm combing my fingers through it, right? But it's not much. It's quite just like a tiny amount, nothing important. And from the side, you see that they are pretty similar. And the clip, this one is like more subtle. This one is like more, it's wider, kind of bulkier. And this one has a magnet, this one doesn't. And I think that the recording quality, like the quality of the audio, is also going to be way better in this one than in this one. At least that's what I found on review videos. Also, the magnet is quite heavy. Like, for the amount of space, I would say this feels heavier than this, although obviously I cannot measure it right now. But yeah, this feels quite heavy. Also, this came with an extra windscreen, and this one didn't. So yeah, that's also something to consider. Also, this one has the USB-C plug here, which, you know, this also could be charged through a case, I'm guessing. I don't have the case either for this one, but I really do like that this one, you don't have the USB-C, you can charge through this one. Because I feel like if you don't have plugs, okay, so this is my gimbal, and this is what I'm talking about. If you want, I can show you this in another video. But yeah, if you have these covers, your life is going to be way easier, because you won't be worrying about dust getting into these. It's quite nice to put one of these and have that peace of mind that you're not going to get these filled with lint. So I think you could consider like a plug. These are so cute also. These are like ribbon plugs. So this is a bit messy. I'm going to like put these in a better position. Okay. This has been my review of the DJI Mic Mini. I hope you liked it. If you did, please press the like button, subscribe, comment your opinions. What did you think of this? Bye. Bing, 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 bing.